Our top story, though, at 5, the abuse inside the Hacienda Healthcare facility that led to a woman in a vegetative state giving birth to a baby boy. And this story is getting national attention tonight.
Police have no suspect, but they are testing DNA samples from workers at the facility. All this as they make a public plea for more information. ABC 15 has team coverage for you, including digging into past problems with this facility. But let's begin with Justin Pazera with the very latest on this disturbing case. Justin?
Good evening, Steve. Phoenix police, I should say, talking today for the first time 12 days after that sexual assault victim gave birth to that baby boy. Today, Phoenix police said that they really wanted to protect this case. They really wanted time to narrow down a suspect, so they stayed quiet. But tonight they're trying to figure out who that suspect actually is. Phoenix police walking us through the last 12 days, where the investigation started and where it is right now.
That this was a helpless victim who was sexually assaulted.
Police say they were first called to Hacienda on December the 29th, shortly before 4 in the afternoon. A newborn was having difficulty breathing. The mother, a woman in her late 20s. Her condition is being described as in a vegetative state. Police say they immediately started looking into who sexually assaulted her, but they stayed quiet about the story.
Oftentimes, when a suspect thinks that something is less serious, they are not as quick to go underground or to go into hiding. That's the reason. Over the last 12 days, the story has unfolded. The Department of Health Services came in and mandated the facility follow extra guidelines. The CEO of Hacienda, Bill Timmons, resigned and has yet to personally address the issue. There's now off-duty police officers inside the facility. And late yesterday afternoon, through a court order, police collected DNA samples from men working at Hacienda. Tonight, police nor Hacienda are saying how many men submitted DNA, if anyone declined, or if contracted workers and past visitors are also being forced to give samples. Let me just say that we're not going to point out who we've obtained DNA from or who we intend to get DNA from.
So tonight, police said that there's really no time frame on when the results of those DNA tests are going to come back. Of course, another big question tonight is, did somebody in Hacienda actually know that this woman was pregnant? Did they not say anything? As a result, they would have hid that sexual assault. Phoenix police said today that if that is the case, there could be charges filed in this whole incident, but at this point they're really not worried about that aspect of the case. They're just trying to figure out who did this sexual assault. Steve?
Yeah, I know the patient's families, all of them want some answers about this. Thanks so much, Justin.